How do you build an enterprise GenAI application that scales? Here's what's working and what isn't for high-performing engineering teams. Welcome to episode 39 in Prolego's Generative AI series. This is our second video on performance-driven development, or PDD, a new methodology for building systems powered by large language models. Today I'll share key principles for GenAI application architecture. Many teams start by integrating LLMs into their existing software libraries. It's a quick and easy way to get going since you can make API calls to LLM providers like OpenAI with just a few lines of code. Before long, you'll find opportunities to leverage LLMs across your entire workflow, from data sources to applications. While this approach works for simple tasks, tightly integrating LLMs into your existing code creates scaling challenges. It obscures the LLM operations, makes optimization harder, and leads to code redundancy. A better approach is to isolate your AI solutions from the rest of your infrastructure through interfaces. AI solution consists of components that optimize the LLM's performance, such as prompts, data preprocessing, prompt orchestrations, and tools. This design offers several advantages. It lets you build a specialized team focused on LLM optimization. It enables you to provide consistent AI capabilities across the company. It allows for faster adoption of new LLMs or techniques. And it creates transparency through an LLM performance evaluation framework. By centralizing LLM interactions into shared libraries managed by specialists, you're laying the groundwork for performance-driven development. To learn more about PDD, check out our GitHub repository linked in the show notes. If you found this useful, I hope you'll join the thousands of data, analytics, and AI professionals who subscribe to our weekly email newsletter. Now don't worry, this isn't the same irrelevant AI hype already filling your inbox and LinkedIn feed. Instead, we share assets used by the world's most successful companies like job descriptions, strategy templates, case studies, code samples, and more. Just visit prolego.com/newsletter or click the link in the show notes.